Hi Sycamore class, we're going to do some division together today, and this is the calculation that we're working on to start with. It's 474 divided by 3. Now when we're doing division it works differently to addition, subtraction and multiplication in that we start with the biggest number, so we see how many we can fit into the biggest number, and then we can get smaller and smaller, and you'll see why in the next calculation why that works. So we'll look first. Now, first off, we start with how many 3's work into 700. Now, 700 is a big number, so if we just think of it as a 7, then we can see how many 3's there are in 7. So there are 3 times 2 is 6, so there are 2 3's in 7. Except 2 times 3 is 6, so there's 1 left over. We can't ignore it, we've got to do something with it, so we move it into the next column, and we make it 17 in there. Now, 3 times 5 is 15. So I know that there are 5 lots of 3 in 17. But again, there are 2 left over, 15, 16, 17, 2 extras. So they go into the next column. Oh, and look, it's my favourite number. So how many times does 3 fit into 24? And we know that it fits exactly, and it fits in 8 times. So we know our answer is 774 divided by 3 is 258. Now there are some slightly different problems. For example, let's have a look at this. So this starts very similar in the same way. How many times does 3 go into 7? And we can say it goes in 2. Remember, we've got that 1 left over, so we're going to pop that 1 left over into the next column. So now we've got 17 again. 3 times 5 is 15, so I can put 5 lots of 3 go into 17 with our 2 leftovers, and they can go here. Now this time we've got 3 going into 22. How many lots are there? How many lots of 3 in 22? Now I know that 3 times 7 is 21. So I know there are 7 lots. However, we've got a space here. We've got 1 left over. What do we do with that 1? And we call that a remainder. So we can put that there, we can put remainder 1. And that's how we would find out the leftover pieces. Okay.